Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought it would be fun to share a top sellers of the month of September. So this is essentially not just my favorites, because of course I shared them all, but these are your top favorites, your most purchased items through the whole month of September. So we're gonna do about the top 15 or so, and then I'm gonna save the number one seller for the end. I will link everything for you guys below in that description box, and let's just get right into it. These velvet Mary Jane ballet flats have been a top seller for September, and it's no surprise to me. What's really exciting, these were just restocked and they come in tons of other colors, and I love them so much. Depending on where the light hits, you could see the velvet just has like a sheen to it in some lights, and then it gets a little bit darker. But these were the number one seller on my entire Amazon, which is insane. You guys sold them out and now they are restocked, which is really exciting. Okay, this two-piece set, so good. I shared this in my last Walmart fall haul video. This was the first thing that I styled in that video, and let me tell you, so many of you guys purchased this. I love this knit set. You know I love a good knit set, and it comes in quite a few other colors. I have the cinnamon bark, I think it's called, but this is a stunning, really good versatile set. You could also layer a cardigan on top. It would be so cute, or like a little puffer jacket. So fun and so cozy and soft, and layered with gold jewelry. You look so luxe in it, and it just fits like a dream for casual days or elevated casual, or also travel or running errands. You want to look pulled together, this is your set. The UGG Ultra Mini boots are a top seller, and let me just tell you, if these are still in stock and you have them on your list, do not wait. By, I'd say, mid-October or so, these will start to really be sparse in a lot of sizes. Last year was impossible to find these in stock at any size at all, but a lot of you guys have been getting them, and I love these. I got a pair in the darker brown last year, and these are my new pair for this year in this light color. I'll write out my color name below, but it comes in tons of colors, and I love the minis because they style so cute with jeans so easily, or cute lounge sets. Even like this set that I showed you guys here looks so cute together, and I just love how cozy and beyond chic it is. This Pat McGrath set is up next, so I love it. Comes in 4 pieces, and I have been loving Pat McGrath, their lip sets, for so many years, but this one comes with a blush, and I'm wearing it today. I've been wearing it for like the past 2 weeks, and it's so pretty, and it's really, really nice. I'm gonna add some gloss. I did not add any gloss today yet, but it's just such a pretty, just soft rose. It's not sticky. It just is perfection. I love the formula. Even the mini lipstick is perfect size for your bag. An insane amount of you guys got these jeans. These have just been by far the most purchased jean this fall season from you guys. And these are J.crew factory, and they are a stunning silhouette. Definitely don't buy them full price. They usually do have a sale most of the time, but I love them so, so much. They look like mother denim. They give you that designer look, but for way less, and they feel like really nice quality. I've washed these a ton of times already, and they have been holding up really great, and they've just been styling so well with so many outfits, and the shape of them looks so flattering and still very current, but not super trendy or anything. Like, it's not like the barrel jean or anything like that, but I think it's just a nice way to try something besides a skinny jean. This is just a nice wider leg, but not also too overpowering either. So it's just the perfect silhouette. I'm gonna do 2 at once because these are like sister bags. So both of these are a top seller. The Longchamp tote bag, I recently got it in the burgundy, and you guys, it's so good. If this has been on your wish list, this is your sign to get one, because it is so pretty for fall, especially in this burgundy. Perfection. It comes in tons of colors though. You could fold it down, and I just keep it stuffed for when I'm not using it, because when I got it, it had like a slight crease in it. That's how they come. But once you keep it stuffed for a little bit, like, the crease will disappear in no time. But I can't say enough, I've had Longchamp totes for quite some time, and I just love the brand in general. But this burgundy is so good. It was recently, it just sold out, but they just restocked it. For a while it was like on pre-order, but now they are currently in full stock. So if you had your eye on it and you missed out, they just restocked. Also the mini bag, and I added this Amazon strap, by the way, just in case you think it may come with it. It does not, but you just get this from Amazon to turn it into a crossbody if you want. But this is so fun. I really have been loving this instead of a fanny pack lately. I love the mini. It's just darling and it's just so precious. So I love it so much. Again, comes in tons of colors. And what do we think? Do you guys prefer the larger size or do we like this mini? I was so excited to see that these were in the top sellers. These have been one of my personal favorites, especially in September. And these are just such a good boot because they have a little kitten heel, so they add a little bit of height, but they're not uncomfortable at all in the least. They are such a flattering fit. I've styled these so many ways already for fall. They have a squared off toe and I love how they fit. They look so luxe, like they have a little emblem on the back of them and they're so soft and they fit like a dream. I'd say true to size on these, and these are like gonna be my go-to for all of October and November. I'm just so excited about these. This designer look for less necklace has been a top loved item. This is so pretty. It reminds me so much of Van Cleef. And what I love about this one is that it's a higher quality. If you're unfamiliar with the fashion jewelry, a lot of it's just like gold plated, which is like your standard fashion jewelry. And then it goes gold filled, which is like the next level up. And then gold vermeil is the next top level that you could get besides like a solid gold piece. And I love, love, love this. This is gonna last so long. Like the brand is all about anti-tarnish and it's just really beautiful quality. And it has an adjustment chain, I'd say about 2.5 inches or so, that you could adjust it. And it's so pretty on. It's just one of those really classy pieces. So love, love, love this, and I'm really excited for this one. Just any time in my wardrobe, I'm really excited to add this into a lot of outfits. This Tarte pressed powder, I originally shared this on stories first, and this is so popular and for a reason because it is such a good perfecting powder. So what I love about this Tarte powder is that, first of all, how it's set up. So it has a little mini powder puff that it comes with, a little triangle, so it fits perfectly for setting your under eye makeup, or if you want it, depending on what tint you get. I get the lavender tint for under eye because it just brightens and it blurs, and I love that it comes with this. But you could also, like, if you get a different color, you could pat it, you know, in different areas around your nose, your chin. It's like the perfect little blotting little powder puff, and so it has like that little area for it here inside. And inside it has a sifter, so your powder is perfectly finely milled, and it has like a little sifter thing. It's like kind of bouncy inside, so you just press your powder puff in, you get the perfect amount. And it also doesn't, like if you're traveling with it or throw it in your makeup bag, it's not like all this powder is coming through because there's like a stopper to it when you have it closed. And then the best part about it is the quality of the powder. Like I said, it's very blurring. It's kind of like an Instagram filter for your face. I definitely wanted to include a Karen Rose, a top seller of the month, our #1 selling item by a landslide, this pearl bow brooch. I personally have been using this. If you guys want to comment what you use yours for, but I personally have been using it on the lapel of a coat or like a lady cardigan. But also I'm excited for the, like when it gets cooler out and I'm wearing a beanie, I will definitely be adding this to the brim of my beanie, and I think that will be really darling to add. And this is so cute. I just think it's a fun little thing to add into a lot of your outfits for fall, winter, or really actually any time of year. I am not surprised that this Gucci bag, this has been in the top sellers for months and months, and you guys are still loving it. And I shared this like last November. Pretty much always in the top 10 or so best sellers of the month, and this is just such a good bag. I love this one so much. I do have an Amazon strap that I found that works really well with it if you want to make it more casual and make it crossbody, because I did not personally love the Gucci one that it came with. It's like red and green, which I know is like typical Gucci and very iconic for them, but I just personally, it's just not my style. So I got a neutral one that I'll link in case you guys missed that. But this is such a cute bag. You could also just not use the strap and have the gold chain, wear it over the shoulder. It's such a pretty and neutral bag. So if you're looking for a splurge designer bag, I feel like compared to like Chanel and Louis Vuitton, I feel like this is a really nice price point for something higher end designer. to start out with because it holds also quite a bit. Lots of Walmart items that you guys have been loving. So this is the No Boundaries Henley. This comes in pink as well, but this is such a pretty neutral that I picked up that I think is just a classic. It has a 3-button detail. It has that little bit of an oversized look. You guys will see how it looks on me, but I think it's really pretty. It's very soft too. I did size up to the small in this one because with this brand, I just typically do because I have found in the past sometimes it ran small. I feel like you could technically do true to size, but I like personally just sizing up just to make that oversized look. It kind of gives off free people, which I love. You guys must be handbag lovers too because there are a lot of handbags in the top sellers this month. This Tory Burch flat bag, which I shared in my top 5 fall handbags video recently, and this made it into the top sellers. And this is so pretty. I have been on the lookout for a chic black bag for fall, winter especially. I thought this was a really beautiful bag. Definitely a splurge, but it is so stunning. Like the quality is so nice, but it is kind of like a look for less. Like technically I know it's not like less, but like comparatively speaking to the Chanel 19 bag, this reminded me of it. So I thought this was such a pretty alternative than spending thousands. And I thought this was a nice under $1,000 bag. It's such luxe quality. Of course, like Tory Burch is ultimately so beautiful and you could fit a lot in this thing. And it has the shoulder strap, which actually the thing about the Chanel 19 too, multi-colored metal tones. And this one just like the gold, which I actually prefer anyways. And this has the leather shoulder strap. So it keeps it padded on your shoulder. You could wear a double strap, crossbody, all the ways. And I think this could be dressed up or dressed down. This mascara I recently shared in a Nordstrom beauty haul and I love this one so much. So this one has been a love of mine for years and I've just had it always in my rotation of mascaras. So this one is from Hourglass. It's so amazing and I can't say enough about how volumizing and lengthening it is for my eyes. I have it on today, but I have been loving it and like I said, I shared it this month and it made it into the top sellers and it's so good. So if you're looking for a new mascara to try, check this one out. I originally got this recommendation from Emily Gemma over on Instagram. She always has the best beauty recommendations. So I just was so happy with this and I've been using it for years and still loving it. Next up is this handbag, this woven handbag, which is a look for less. It gives you designer vibes. And I originally got this bag in the taupe color from Amazon like last year or so. And I love it so much. They never had this pink for quite some time. And I was really hoping they would because when I saw like the designer had this pink, I was like, okay, I really wish they would do a pink look for less, and they finally did, and this is just such a good bag, and the pink is gorgeous, but it does come in tons of other colors, and it's just a stunning bag. It has the strap detail that you can also double like so, and I think it's just such a good one. It's just such a chic bag. I think it makes such a statement, but also looks classic at the same time. All right, are we ready for the #1 seller of the month? It is the Walmart Floral PJs, which was really exciting because I had shared that they came back in stock and then they reappeared in my bestsellers this month. And these are just so good. I've been wearing these a lot throughout September as well. They're so buttery soft and I love that they give off Love Shack Fancy vibes. So you get the button down short sleeve top with the shorts. So it's a set. And they're just so cute and they have pockets and they're just so comfy to wear. I find they run pretty true to size and they're just a good one. I think they're so pretty. So if you have like girly style or you want a fresh pair of PJs, check these out. And they just recently came back in stock and it looks like they're still in stock. So definitely very excited about these. All right, so that rounds up the best sellers of September. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know if you have a favorite that I shared in September. I love hearing your favorites, or if any of these are your favorite, I'd love to hear if you guys got any of them, one of the best sellers. Let me know in the comments and how you like them. And I will see you all in my next video very soon. Love you guys. Bye.